Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Auto Tips.
Today I've got a real-life situation that many drivers run into. I found a nail in my tire. At first, I wasn't sure if it was leaking, so I did the usual test, removed the tire and sprayed it down with soapy water. No bubbles. But once I pulled the nail out, it was a different story. The soap test showed clear bubbling and it went in deep. That tells me it's only a matter of time before it starts leaking air. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to patch this type of puncture properly. First, I'll go over the tools you'll need. A tire plug kit with a rasp tool, insertion tool, rubber cement, and of course, a good quality plug. I'll also use some pliers to remove the nail and a compressor to check the pressure after the repair. Once I've got everything ready, I'll walk you step by step through the patching process. Cleaning the hole, roughing it up, applying the cement, inserting the plug, and trimming the excess. This method works great for minor tread punctures, and it's a lifesaver when you don't want to replace a tire just for a nail. And that's it. A simple but important fix that can save you time, money, and a potential roadside headache. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss more tips like this, only on Daily Auto Tips. Thanks for watching.